Here you are. You've accepted the fact that advancements in golf technology can actually help your game.
You're standing at the product while overwhelmed by the endless array of choices. You can either give up and drift towards the brands who scream the loudest,
or you dig in and get ready for the process of truly improving your game.
How do you decide? Where do you start? That's where we come in.
FCD. Feel, control, distance. 3 words that can get you down the road of matching the best golf technology with your swing.
It's about matching world-class equipment with your own playing style.
After all, this is your game. Make it personal.
So answer me this. Who are you?
Do you rely on your wits when you navigate the course?
Are your shots mainly about instinct? Can you see the shot before you hit it?
Then you're an F player. You're a feel player.
We know you can generate club head speed. And since you're consistently hitting it in the center of the face, ultimate shot feedback is something you crave.
Your ability to hit the high cut to the back right pin, maybe the low draw into the wind, these are the shots that are vital to your success.
Once you've determined that you're an F player, the beauty of it is we can fine-tune your craft with one of the FG Tour iron styles that fit your skill set. The FG Tour 100, for those extremely discerning players who love the tradition and craftsmen that go into every blade.
The FG Tour M3 irons, which are on the more forgiving side of the F family, with more offset, a larger cavity, and advanced face technology, but still the forged feel. And now, the all-new FG Tour V4 irons, the player's iron.
This beautifully engineered forged cavity iron has the look of a blade with its smaller, more compact head, yet maintains a small cavity back with precise weighting for optimal launch and some forgiveness. Hey, even I need forgiveness. It can be the difference between a long walk with my putter or having to grab a wedge.
Okay, so maybe you're not a feel player. Maybe this sounds like you. You like a playable, mid-size head shape, but admit that you're still in need of power.
You're in control of your limitations and look to technology to help minimize your missed shots.
You're what we call a C player. C for control.
It sits within the bookends of feel and distance. Set up to the C irons with confidence,
knowing you're getting a crossover of both power and workability.
It's stable, it's aspirational, it's comfortable. Take the best from the F category, combine it with the best of the D category to make the iron that is just for you.
This iron uses the true Goldilocks principle of design, where the control player gets just the right amount of control, distance, and accuracy to augment his game.
What you end up with is a smaller compact head, some offset, and a high MOI for forgiveness.
Now add a strong, super thin, flexible stainless steel face for power and distance. The Wilson Staff C100 iron, an iron with no compromises, engineered for your aspiring game.
You want more feel or control in your game, but not quite there? Well, congratulations, my friend. You're in the majority. We've built our iron reputation on fitting the D or distance player into the most playable set of irons possible. D stands for distance, or domination, or death to all those who try and stop you.
It doesn't matter once you put the new D200 irons in your hand, you'll see why we call these the most playable, forgiving, explosive irons we've ever created.
Distance starts with the club head. Built for speed, the large cavity back design and new speed sole technology of the D200 irons combine to create a thin, unsupported face that lead to maximum distance with shot-saving forgiveness.
So why do we keep talking about forgiveness? That's the most important ingredient in game-enhancing technology. Most players, about 80% of golfers, don't hit the ball in the center of the face. It's usually hit somewhere towards the toe. This translates to a loss of both distance and direction. With the D200 exoskeleton technology, the mass is strategically placed in the heel, toe and sole for maximum perimeter weighting, so these mishits don't really look like a miss to the rest of your foursome. After all, isn't that what most of us want to accomplish? Long without the wrong?
Now, pair the D200 irons with the new D200 lines of super light woods and hybrids for a completely distance-dominating arsenal.
So why light? The use of right light technology in the D200 line of woods and hybrids precisely maneuvers limited mass for powerful, balanced, solid-feeling clubs that allow players to swing faster with the same effort.
Faster swing speeds deliver faster club and ball speeds. What does that mean to you? More distance, and finally having the chance to go for a par 5 and 2.
So that's it. That's FCD. Feel, control, distance. It's Wilson Staff's elegantly simple approach to matching playing styles with the right equipment.
It's where you start when you walk into that golf shop. Wilson Staff understands your approach may be different from your playing partner.
We believe that your iron should be synced to your playing style. That should be your samurai sword, and that your relationship should be almost spiritual.
They know you and you know them. Whether you desire ultimate feedback, shot shaping control,
Pure distance, or somewhere in between, we've got you covered. Remember, this is your game. Make it personal.